Hello everyone. So how are you students? I hope all are good and fine. So dear students, in previous class we know about ordinal numbers. Are you remember that? Yes. So today we are going to solve some questions which is based upon ordinal numbers. So everyone open your workbook and let's start the class. Here you can see ordinal numbers first to 10th which we already learned. All of you remember. If you don't remember, then watch the video again, then watch this video. It will be helpful for you. So now start solving these questions. Match the ordinal number with its name. Match the ordinal number with its name. What is written here? Third. So where is third? Find out. Yes, this one. So how can you match? Just like this you can match. Third. Understood? Then ninth. 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 Where is ninth? Find out. Yes, which one is ninth? Find out. Yes, this one is ninth. So match it. Ninth. Understood everyone? So like this way you can match the numbers with the names. Here numbers is given, here names is given. By reading properly you can match it. Understood how to match? I hope you can do it easily. So now move to next number. Here write the ordinal numbers of each given number. Write the ordinal numbers of each given number. 1 is written. So what is the ordinal number of 1? First, FIRST, already written. So for 2, what do you write? You write second, SECOND. I told you write this and practice for 2 times. All of you did. Then for 3, what is the ordinal numbers? Very good. Third. Then write THIRD, third. So like in this way you can write the numbers in ordinal. Write all the ordinal numbers. So this question also you can do. So now move to next question. Yes, read it. Marks of first 5 students of standard 2 in mathematics are given. Write the ordinal numbers showing their position in the class. So read the question properly. Marks of first 5 students of second standard in mathematics are given. So when exam is conducted in your class, then mark distributed. Your teachers give you marks, I give you marks. Am I right? So here who got more marks? Marks of first 5 students. Who got more marks? That first 5 students who got more marks, that marks are given. Write the ordinal numbers showing their position in the class. So by showing these numbers, who got more marks? Who got first position, who got second position, who got third position, who got fourth position, who got fifth position? By seeing this mark you can write the numbers. Understood everyone? So how can you find out? By seeing these marks. So here Anjali, here names Anjali, Anita, Arman, Anshul, Asa. Here marks 17, 14, 15, 19, 18. Here you should write positions. So Anjali score 17 mark, Anita score 14 mark, Arman score 15 mark, Anshul score 19 mark, Asa score 18 marks. So now tell me, between these five students, which students score more mark? Yes, here 17, 14, 15, 19, 18. Who score more? Yes, Anshul score more. So Anshul score 19 marks. So Anshul got which position? Anshul get which position in classroom? Very good, first position. How can you write? Like this, first, otherwise FI, both you write, fast and fast, in numbers and in words. So next, who scores highest? Yes, Asa. So Asa got which position? Very good, Asa got second. You write like this, second. Understood everyone? Then who got third position? Yes, Anjali. So you write third. Then Arman fourth. Then Anita fifth. Understood everyone? So I hope you understood this. Read the question properly and solve it. Now move to next question. So here don't confuse when it's given here little bit more question. So here you read the question properly, then you solve this. The following standing blocks show the time taken by 5 children to reach the winning post. The following standing blocks show these are the standing blocks. The following standing blocks show the time taken 5 children. Here 5 children are there to reach the winning post. Here is given, so here what is written here? Time in seconds. So these are the times: 8 second, 10 second, 12 second, 14 second, 16 second, 18 second, 20 second. Here the name of the children. What is Arjun, Perseus, Riya, Tanya, Rustam, like this. So what is given here? The following standing blocks, these the standing blocks show the time taken by these students. So Arjun takes how much? 14 seconds. Perseus takes 10 seconds. How can I know? Arjun, show the line 14. Perseus, show the line 10. Riya, how much? 16. Tanya, how much? 18. Rustam, how much? Join the line, which? 12. So now you got who take time, how much? So now arrange these 5 children in order as per the time taken to reach the winning post. Arrange these 5 children. So now I arrange these 5 children in order as per the time taken to reach the winning post. So who take more time? Tanya take more time to reach the winning post. So now tell me one thing. When one running race is there, so who got first position? Who reached the finished point first? Am I right? Who reached? Listen again. Who got first place? When someone reached the finishing point first. So from starting point to finishing point. For example, here is the starting point. We already saw one video when animals are running from starting to finishing point. This is starting point, this is finishing point. So who got here first? Then he is the winner. To cover this distance, if you take less time, then you got first. Means someone you start running here, you take 3 seconds, then you first, then your friend take 4 seconds, then he second. Who takes smaller time, he got first place. Am I right? Who got more time, he got last place, because you have to who reach fast, that students or that child got first position. So now we have to find who got less time, who take less time to reach the finishing point. Here Perseus take 10 seconds. So here you write, because he reached the finishing point in 10 seconds. So he get first position. So here you write Perseus. Then who got second? Who take little time? Yes, Rustam, 12 seconds. So you write Rustam here, because Perseus take 10 seconds, Rustam take 12 seconds. So Rustam came second and Perseus come first. Then who take third? Yes, compare here, 14 seconds. Who take? Arjun. So here you write Arjun. Then fourth, which one? Yes, this one, Riya. Then Tanya. So who take little time, he or she came first, who take more time, he last. Understood everyone? In running competition, in any competition, who take less time, he came first. He take less time to finish the race, so that's why he get first. Like this you can arrange. So I hope all of you understood this. If you don't understood, then you can ask me again. So students, if till now you did not subscribe the channel, then first subscribe it, then like the video and comment in this video. Comment as your name, which is considered as your attendance. So students, read properly in your home and don't waste time, and finish all these questions in your notebook and in workbook, and your handwriting should be neat and clean. So thank you students.